here, and today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. It's been a hot minute since I've done that intro. Wow. I'm really going back to my roots right now, am I? But we're going to be doing this makeup look right here, the cloud trend. I don't know what to call this, and I don't know what it's called, but I do talk about it a little bit later, so I'm not going to really talk about that right now. But yeah. First of all, there's a couple things that I want to touch on. Yeah. First off, yeah, I burnt myself while I was making dinner, so yeah, that's the thing. Fall time, I know, it's so cute, and I also have some decor right here, but you can hardly see it because it's blurry, but you know, it's okay, and because of my body, you can't see it, but it's okay. I do have a lot more decorations on my computer table, my desk, so once I'm back there, you guys will be able to see that. Since next week, I am going to be starting, like, fall makeup tutorials, hopefully, so I'm starting to decorate for fall. Also, what else? Oh, do you like, I wanted to say this first, but I didn't. I talked about my freaking finger. But do you like this background? Comment down below if you guys like this background. Also, subscribe, because that's cool also. It really helps out my channel, and I really would appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel. Also, hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna shut my face, and we're gonna just talk about the cloud trend and how I feel about it, and we're just gonna go into this makeup tutorial, okay? So let me just stop talking, okay? So, you know, just keep on watching. How about that? Okay, so we're going to be doing, I did explain a little bit what we're going to be doing earlier in the video, but I just want to talk a little bit more about it. We are going to be doing like that cloud, I don't know what it's called. I feel like it's called something, but I think it's called In the Clouds, cloud makeup. I don't know. I feel like it's called something, but I just don't know what it's called, you know. So comment down below and let me know what it's called, and I have no idea who made this like a thing, like a trend. So if you would if you know who made this a trend and know the creator, please let me know down below so I can put it in the description box for you guys, because whoever made this creation literally bomb. I'm just gonna pop some pictures of other people like recreating this look. Everybody that did this look is so talented, like it's so beautiful, and I love this look. And I don't really love a lot of trends that go on in the beauty community, because most of them are so stupid, but you know, people create things and you know, it just blows up, so whatever. But this is, I think, one of my favorite trend that's going on in the beauty community, because it's just so beautiful and just so different. Yeah, I already did this look. I'm gonna pop a picture right here of what it turned out to look like. It wasn't the best, but I think I could do better since this is going to be my second time doing it, and I'm going to be doing a different color. I did purple. I want to be doing like a yellow orange one and red one, because I love those colors so much on me personally that I just want to do that. And yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. So the first thing I want to do is go in with yellows, just as a transition for the colors that we're going to be using. So what we're going to be doing is going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to grab this color right here, and I am just going to put that in my crease with, hold up. I'm going to be taking this Emax Fluffy design brush thing. This is so old, but it's still so good, so I'm going to use it. So I'm going to take that yellow, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. Okay, so I am so dumb. Let's just leave it at that. So I recorded putting other things in my crease, right? But then I was running out of time on my SD card, so what I did is not press the stop recording button and just took the SD card out. So yeah, all that stuff that I just did was deleted and gone because it wasn't saved because I didn't press the stop recording button. I had a moment in my head where I was just cussing myself out, but you know, it's okay. But yeah, so I did that Jaclyn Hill color, and then I took this Revolution Reloaded palette, and I took this color right here with the same brush, and I just put it in my crease and on the outer part of my eye. And then I took this shadow right here. Hold up, let me get it out of my Z palette. This is the Colorpop eyeshadow in Paper Tiger, and I just put this on the outer part of the eye and my crease also. We're gonna move on. Let's just move on. We're gonna act like nothing happened and I did everything with you guys. How about that? So what I did, I took a small little brush and I took concealer and just started mapping it out, but then it got a little bit hard so I think I'm gonna just take this, just like my my cutting my crease brush is, I don't know, who knows, but I cut my crease with this brush and it's really round, so I thought it would be easier to just like boom 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 and it'll be like a perfect round like shape. So I think I'm gonna do that with this brush, and then concealer I'm gonna be using, which I don't have on my table right now, so we're gonna go in my drawer and get it. For me personally, something like this, I want to do something thick, and usually when I do like a half cut crease or a cut crease, anything that has cut crease in the name, you know, I use something thick so it's really like easy to like move and stuff. Well, not easy, but like it's hard to mess up. That's what I'm trying to say. If I go in with like a creamy formula, then it's gonna be super easy to mess up, screw it up, and then you're ruined, and then you just have to wipe off the whole makeup and start over. So I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild dirty old thing right here. I don't even know the color, the sticker's off, and I'll have it down below for you guys. So yeah, but it's just a makeup stick from Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna take this Morphe flat brush and I'm gonna get close up and personal with a mirror and just cut my crease. That was so easier than like grabbing like a small little brush. I did grab this, it's a smaller than the brush that I just used, but it's still round, so I just used this to really just sharpen everything up a little bit more, but that was super easy. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking like this big bulky brush that's also fluffy, and it's this right here. It's just a round, big, bulky brush. But I'm going to be taking this and I'm just going to blend out the outer part of it. Now what I'm going to be doing is grabbing my translucent face powder. Actually, let's just go in straight in with a white. I was going to go in with my translucent face powder and then go in with a white, but I'm just going to go in with the white. I'm not really looking at you guys right now because I don't want this to crease. So we're just going to take this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette right here. And I'm going to be taking this color right here. It's called White Peach. And I'm just going to grab a brush and this Morphe flat brush. And I'm just going to take that color and just set that concealer. So we're going to go in with an orange on the outer part of the eye, and then we're going to deepen it up with a red. So the color that I'm going to be taking is from the Jaclyn Hill palette, but we're just going to go in with this one first. And I'm going to put that on the outer part of the eye and bring it like this way a little bit. Just a little bit, not all the way in here, just like to here. And be careful because you don't want to cover this cloud right here. I mean, this whole thing is a cloud, but you don't want to cover this part of the cloud either. So make sure you don't cover it up with this color. Now I'm going to go in with a deep red, and I'm going to go in with this bad boy right here. I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay brush right here, and I am going to put it right on top, what we just put down, but put it lower. I am going to do this eye off camera real quick, do the exact same thing that I did to this eye, and just copy and paste, you know, and then do a thin line of liner near my lashes, and then put on falsies, put on mascara, do my full face, and I will be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so I did this eye off camera real quick, and it looks so good so far. I really like how this is looking. I did add black to the look because I just felt like it needed to be a little bit more smokier over here. So I did add just a little black from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I just like added just a small little bit really close to the lash line and blended it out, and it looks so good. I'm glad that I added the black because I felt like it was a little bit too, I don't know, I felt like it needed the black, and I added it, and it looks good. So my inner corner highlight is from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's these two colors right here, and I just mix them together, damp the brush with water, and I just like put it in my inner corner. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Z palette. It is a mess, I know. I need to get a bigger one because like this is just not like, it's not even on all the way. Like, it's just sitting there. But the first color that I took on the bottom lash line is the Paper Tiger color from Colorpop. And grab this e.l.f. Professional Defining Eye Brush. And it's just like an angled fluffy brush. And I'm going to grab this and put that on the lower lash line. And by the way, I did put a white eyeliner. I totally forgot about it. It's a Rimmel London white eyeliner pencil. So I did that, and I'm just gonna put this down there now. Now I'm gonna be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go straight in with the red, well, the orange slash red color that we went in with. I'm gonna be going in with that and put that on my bottom lash line, obviously, and put it like on the outer parts. And then, oh my god, I totally forgot my lashes. I totally forgot to tell you guys what lashes I'm wearing. I'm sorry about that, but I took the Ardell Studio Effect Wispies, and yeah, I just took those and plopped them on, and yeah, I am so sorry. I totally forgot to tell you guys, but I'm going to go back in the Jaclyn Hill palette, grab a little bit of this color, and put that really back on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take my Airspun Loose Face Powder, this right here, and it is in Translucent Extra Coverage. It's the extra coverage one, and I'm just going to take that. You could take whatever loose powder you desire because we're just going to put it on the under eye, put on mascara, and then just sweep it away. Alright guys, so that's the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. My lippy, by the way, I used this NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, I believe. Yeah, London. But I really like how this turned out. I just did like easy, simple hair. Like, I didn't even straighten it or anything. It's not like perfectly straight, but it's straight enough for me that I could deal with it, you know? So I didn't really do much. I put like a band in it, and then I like kept this little piece out and put this behind my ear, whatever. But I really like how this turned out. If you did, give it this video a thumbs up. I really love this trend. I think it's such a good trend, and there's a lot of trends that I dislike. Like, there's just so many trends that people created, And I'm not saying that people shouldn't be creative, because the people that create these trends that I don't like, I understand the perspective of creativeness. That doesn't make any sense. But you know what I mean. Like, I understand how that could be a trend, but I just don't like it for me personally. Like the squiggly brows, the squiggly everything, I just can't. Or like the pencil brows, like where it's like an actual pencil on the tail. I'm good, okay? Yeah. And also, everything that I used on my eyes and everything that's in this video will be down below for you guys in the description box in order, just in case you guys missed anything, or if I didn't say what I was using, it will be down below for you guys in order. And also my social medias will be down below. My Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat will be down below for you guys. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!